She is. She is.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? Okay, first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back sis for another video. Alright, so I'm taking it back with Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Bundle. But there's a reason, okay? There's a strategy, huh? Okay, but first things first, thank you Shea Moisture for sponsoring this video because you know
you get a coin with that.
I like it. All right.
But as always, all opinions are my own, alright? So I just wanted to break this down in the strategy behind what I'm trying to do, huh? Stay with me, pay attention. Okay, so I am trying to blow out my hair, which is something that I typically don't do. So my hair is dirty, it's time for a wash, huh? So the reason why I was so excited to partner with Shea Moisture because I already planned to do a blowout, huh? But for my head of hair, I definitely need some type of product that has really extreme moisture properties, huh? So I'm gonna stop saying huh. Anywho, Shea Moisture for this line in particular, it has shea butter, it has Jamaican black castor oil, and it has peppermint. If you know me, you know my scalp issues, right? So peppermint is amazing for the scalp. Jamaican black castor oil is loaded with proteins and minerals and vitamin E. And then Shea Moisture deeply moisturizes the hair as well as the scalp, huh? Okay, so this all worked together. Okay, it's working for my good. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyway, back to the video. All right. So if you're someone like me who tends to, I don't know, heat style the hair, I don't know, straighten, maybe regularly color, okay, this is a great bundle. For me, I do color my hair quite often, and I do kind of use the heat style because, you know, I am diffusing my hair, although not direct heat. I still am stretching and diffusing. So just want to break it down. What are the benefits of Jamaican black castor oil? We know this, correct, huh? But in case you don't, okay, Jamaican black castor oil is antibacterial and it has moisturizing properties, all right? So it's going to help you with the plethora, like it says, of hair issues, but it's also great for stimulating hair growth. And I think that's where we kind of all learned about black castor oil. It's a really, really good in treating so many different things of the hair, but just basically it has a really good moisturizing properties, and that is what I needed for my blowout, okay? Or my hair is just gonna, like, the dryness is gonna show. So it moisturizes, it revitalizes, it reduces inflammation and irritation, it protects, and hello somebody, it may promote hair growth if that is, you know, your journey. So, what are the hair benefits of peppermint? Oh, this excited me, y'all, and I almost shouted in my heavy language. Okay, so it's going to increase the circulation, all right, which also can improve hair growth and prevent some hair loss. One of the reasons specifically for me is for the itchy scalp and dandruff relief. I need that. Y'all know, if you're a follower, you understand. So what's the difference between castor oil and Jamaican black castor oil? I didn't know this, so I want to share it. Jamaican black castor oil is prepared by first roasting the beans, which results in an oil that smells burnt. But it's considered to be pure and much superior in terms of its nutritional content, which I feel like is super important. That's why it's just great just to look up your ingredients and just really educating yourself on what you're putting on your skin and your body and your hair. Well, I guess your skin and your body the same thing. Anyway, so if you've never used this shampoo before, I enjoy the consistency. It's not super thick, which for me creates a better lather, in my opinion. No sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, or animal testing, or petroleum. So if that matters to you, that's excellent. And not having those ingredients is going to help to prevent dryness even more, and also has apple cider vinegar in there, which is one of my favorites. As you know, apple cider vinegar is really, really good for the scalp, clarifying, detangling, and all that jazz. All right, so the Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion, we'll get more into this, okay? Because why hair lotion, huh? Somebody? Listen here, I enjoy a good hair lotion. It does keep your hair protected from dryness and breakage, because some leave-ins don't do that. Some leave-ins just give you moisture, you know, and then some conditioners or like butters and stuff may be a little bit too heavy for hair types like mine. They're a little bit more on the finer side. So a lotion is really good for me, especially when I am heat styling, but not for all. So I wouldn't use lotion if I'm getting ready to flat iron my hair, but a blowout, it works perfectly in providing that moisture and to prevent any type of dryness or breakage. Okay, so again, it replenishes dry hair and protects it. Hello, somebody. All right, so now it's wash time. Now y'all done had some class, okay? In class, I mean like y'all got some education. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get our hair together. So my hair is low porosity, so it takes a little while for it to get fully drenched. That's just what happens. And so now we're in the shower. Okay, well let me just show y'all real quick. Y'all see, this is in real time. Do you see how fast that sudded up? Let me show you again. I put it on my head and it sudded so fast. I said, oh my God, I forgot how good this stuff was. Now, I am that natural that does wash the entire shaft, okay?
Y'all know what
From the rooter to the tutor. I wash my scalp and the root and all the way down to my tips. I don't just let it run down my hair. I don't experience any dryness doing that. It doesn't strip my hair. I just feel like whatever do, you know me, whatever do what works for you, you know? But for me, I wash all of my hair, just like I wash all of my body. I do the same for my hair.
Come on,
somebody.
Come on, son.
Okay. So that's what works for me. And this is not drying because of the really, really good ingredients in here that has great moisturizing properties. So your hair was not going to feel stripped. It will feel clean, but not stripped. And how I'm able to see that is the definition that it gives me. And so forth and so on. I don't have anything, of course, on my hair because I'm washing it. But now we're applying the conditioner. So it's the same thing, the same ingredients, the same properties, and the consistency is perfect for a rinse out conditioner. As you can see, I try to slow it down. Not too thin, not too thick. I put it all over my hair, not just like my ends or anything like that. I put it on my scalp as well, depending on the conditioner. This is fine because it does have really good properties for your scalp. And so my detangling really is a breeze. I'm using the wrong comb, but that's because I couldn't get out the shower and find it. Okay, it was just too much. So this was handy, but good thing is it's plastic, so it slid right on through with the conditioner in my hair. Yeah, so detangling was pretty much a breeze. Now I will be honest and say that this conditioner does not offer a whole lot of slip, but it offers enough to really get the job done as far as detangling goes. Now, we all have different hair types, and my hair is pretty easy to detangle if I'm being quite honest. So for someone who may have a tighter curl pattern or just a harder time detangling, the slip really may not be all the way there for you. But look at the definition, my God. My hair is so moisturized. I just really wanted to show you guys as close up as I could. Just the curls and how shiny they look and how healthy they look, and there's nothing on my hair. It's just complete. Look at that. I had to put that clip in there because I said, oh my God. Anyway, so don't do this, okay? Strengthen and restore styling lotion. The consistency, again, it's perfect to provide that moisture, especially if you're going to be doing like heat styling, even a wash and go. Lotions typically can work, and they're really good at layering, okay? But let me just tell you something, huh? Don't do what I just did, okay? As you can see, I'm slowing it down. It's great. My hair is moisturized. It feels amazing, huh? Okay, there's another praying hair method, okay? But y'all, the directions, the usage instructions, huh? Says apply to damp or dry hair, y'all. Do that. Don't do what I did, okay? It makes a difference because it is an oil-based product. Now, I just went ahead and skipped on and started to blow out my hair, slowing it down just so you guys can kind of see and so that it's not rushed because we are focusing just on 3 products. So I'm just doing a light blowout because of the style that I'm planning on doing. It doesn't have to be super straight and all that, but my hair, y'all, feels so good. It's so shiny. I know the lights are on it, but just pay attention, okay? Just take my word for it, okay? It felt so good. And that's the beauty of this Shea Moisture bundle. It's made specifically to moisturize and prevent dryness. So it's perfect for me when applying heat, because as we know, heat, y'all, is going to definitely dry out your hair no matter what type of heat. It doesn't have to be direct or whatever. So I am blowing out my hair. I've used this before. It's the Rev Air, and it's just way easier and faster. But yeah, I'm doing a very, very light blowout. I'm not really doing it at a high setting. Even if you are, y'all, let me just tell you, it's the moisture for me. Okay, I hate people say that, but no, the moisture is there. And so I just felt like it was so perfect. I don't understand the timing that this came on through, because I was like, I need something different. But I can't just use any old thing, and then I'd be mad because my blowout feels dry and crispy, and I'm like, why does it feel this way when I have a good regimen, right? But it really matters what you use for particular styling. If you're flat ironing your hair, if you're doing a wash and go, if you're doing a twist out, it matters. So I'm just really happy that I get to bring an oldie but a goodie back to y'all. And y'all, okay, so my camera ended up dying, but what I did was I just put my hair in 4 Bantu knots. And I use a little bit of the lotion just to kind of give it like an extra oomph and shine. So, you know, just to make it look cute or whatever. So I loved it because it looked like I did some like wand curls.
Who said that?
But I didn't. And my hair looked like I put heat on it, and I didn't. So it's just a great bundle. My hair looked so moisturized, and it had to have had enough moisture for my hair to look or to give this much sheen, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys are like, oh my god, I remember this line. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Shea Moisture, for sponsoring, and I love y'all. See y'all next time.